Grunge Text Effect Photopea. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, prepare a grunge effect vector or PNG file before starting the editing process. If you do not already have one, search for a grunge effect using your browser and download a suitable file. Save the downloaded effect in a location that is easy to access later. Next, open Google Chrome by double-clicking its icon and wait for the browser to load completely. Click on the search bar, type Photopea, and press Enter on your keyboard to begin the search. From the search results, select the top option and click it to open the website. You will then be directed to the Photopea homepage. On the homepage, click New Project to begin. Choose any template available in Photopea and make sure the background is either white or transparent. Click the Create button to open the editing workspace. When the editing page appears, press Ctrl+0 on your keyboard to fit the workspace properly on the screen. Select the text tool from the toolbar and prepare your text by choosing the font, size, and color you want to use. Type the text that you would like to apply the grunge effect to. After the text is ready, insert the grunge overlay file by opening the File menu and selecting Open in Place. Browse to the folder where the grunge file is saved and double-click it to place it into the project. Press Ctrl+Alt+T to resize and reposition the overlay layer so it covers the text area correctly. Duplicate the overlay layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Move one of the overlay layers below the text layer. Next, create a new adjustment layer and choose Threshold. Increase the threshold value to approximately 200 to create stronger contrast. Right-click the layer and select Merge Down. Activate the Magic Wand tool by pressing W on the keyboard, then left-click on the canvas to make a selection. Hide the merged layer and rasterize the text layer. With the text layer still selected, add a vector mask. The grunge effect is now successfully applied to your text in Photopea, creating a distressed and textured appearance.